You always attract what you think, but more importantly, you always attract what you feel. Your feelings in this moment are the ultimate indicators of what you are attracting into your life. They are the ultimate point of attraction. The more you feel your desire in an accomplished state, the more you draw vibrations of similar nature to your experience, and the stronger your emotions get towards that desire. If you feel a lack of money, you will never have enough. If you feel healthy, you will attract health. The stronger you feel about your desire, the greater are your chances of getting to your goal. The more you feel being in the accomplished state of your desire, the higher the chances of getting to your goals. Let me explain. As the great Neville said, you must feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled. You must feel right now as if you have already accomplished your future desire. Don't wait for that feeling in the future. Feel it right now, in this present moment. Don't wait for your accomplishment to make you feel something. Feel that feeling right now to accomplish what you desire. You see, most people wait to accomplish their desires in order to feel good, but that doesn't work. You must invert that equation. You must feel the good feelings of the wish fulfilled right now in order to accomplish that wish.